ya muna soko ndakobera simu ya Gitinga TV tokora ndero umuroberio wo gusera mu musubati asibarigetie ukigo konye umunyaruga ku Rwase Street Rwase kibara kya meje wao bali banyaro babaswase ngana yo butumani gosega songo muna constitution pero no mogeni studio ya de abiara ningo anda manya ho tele kere ngaki abonge jaga ngiria
samari tankoro kwetla kibonyeria nicho machakiwe kiombe kiwa kwa Angaza Youth Development.
Angaza Youth Development yabo kireke.
Antianda gotebi history ya Angaza Youth. Angaza twachagete so mwaka wa 2013. Ekerenga ki Angaza kiarenge kyogo chakabo konya abana bari street ya Busungu. Ako ikera bakabona iga Angaza Youth. Watemera konya abana baneiga. Lakini bono Angaza nabatore kiombekia abantu anyisa atori sana emo abatoko konya lenda abana abo ba ugo barabange mono ono tukanyora ngikiombe kiangaza ni mutotageta se tukubabika naende igatoka ni tutweka abanyene togogeka bono no togendere togokore gasi eni bono solo buko yetu tokurusi ontuta yote ile ni bara esi bono ni buko yetu tokurusi lakini nene na kitu arorera ngikiagera bono umusigo no manani Angaza ntutwe kanto kunya tokarambia tochene igente ke mukirare ntombo busi amo elinderi kiagera bana bange umugusie kana ngokwana igo minute nyamira na kisi tokanyaranga bana babandi bari barwete ikonge bachite tauni ya Busungu baruete chikuru chize muchege chauri bachite tauni ya Busungu igono nyenya abandi sune kaigo kusina Busungu kwanto kanyaranga twiso gocha negento keragera bagumu gusia chamo elinde rito bwaterane tokonya iye kagere tutogachaka ewo totage tokokora eso muchio Busungu usika kisi county ko host ekiano bago parero
mmoja
ekiombe ke twachage 2013 2013 bakabona gatwanyare kubeka abana babere school abali bali abanane twanyote ngomwana atigirite class 6 na ndo ikiri myaka 16 ntokonya kumwira ni school twamubekire chikosi kya mawoko na ende basokire igo negento ge kunyarika
ono abantu barenga mu abonyire wande
babere bairanire school babere ne cost wabege na ende bakori nabo babere oyo me school na akora form 4 last year ekiaru twamwira ntekere konyatigire form 2 na akorete form 4 na ende na nyorete igo no igento ge kunyarika kebiri wa high school toire wingo ya Ndari University
tanga kenena mubwate gi abatangire murekera abantu ruka abandi
anena muno ekere okotebyo fans chibesa bonega muna ntwesto to kunyara esintu to kunyara ntobwati mubuko teisanye kiagire twanyoranga abana aba to kuba kwanira ali esibali ekyamogoro banande bairane maka bairane esibali okuba kwanira bairane esibali kwanyorege tukirikuwa bataiki arure mu one toke kya tutabwati ase to kuba beka tonyori kinege tange kenene ekiagera tutageta ase to kuba beka ndinde tuaba kwanira mambe baboka to kubera nonye period ya 6 months street yali etobera obokongu komorusio kumukwana mambe kwanyora naende nwaye one kinege tange mone igi akabere bekero kukwanira abantu ande babuganga maybe no muntu tokabwate bose matekera bako organization ne bako buganga bakorora abasongo bose fans kidonda ekito tabwati one nyoranga ukonyora tole egetange kira kindirende ntumanye konto bantu
one project no muri gereti projection aseo no mwako yo muri mutu semia kevere mora ngarati okorende next let's say 5 years
5 years ngale tikafura chakiri in the next 5 months ntotagete kubeke rescue center rescue center umanyete bone kitu otwagotebie echangamoto tubwate ne obuchibesa kulingana bona na kitu warenterete toko irokeze gisongonga a social activity korento mubusiambo tomukwanire itwanyote ngatigebe walk na erera rente erinde tomukwanire tomotebio mubusinge na kikeroro population y'abagusine abange ino muntu narusi emieya isandire tokobe ono kulingana ne egento turanyore litukeri na turabeke kyano nyamari moro chegaiga achire igoro ono lakini ne twegento tutagete ne structure ituma tokobeka ngonya but in the next 5 months ndo trust ati nyasa inga kubeka to structure ne benke togochaka kubeka ne baba na 20
karo gwa n'abanyaruka bare street kibago batebye kenene gyako garabacha street mu jando munene ko balenda ko babaza
tanga ni balobe bagoteba poverty lakini cheyo intwe togo disagree nero na kitogo tambia tokwanira abana aba na kitota kirete stoko bakwanire kiagera umwana nabo ko matebi the moment togo tebi umwana anchera ne bunari osebuna sobere ta korora ngambali bataka na bako manage keriye kabwate bono peer pressure ekere barorira abana bande bachirane no mwana umwana ochire oiranire nonye ne kisiringio ikomi igako musabande bagenda iki abakubwa that inerenche lakini abana abaisiku kwane runga ya butaka mboyo egenteke ganoro kinonye umate babande bawuchikora nonye bali abantu bali biya babuga nga barobwe barute from nowhere bamanyiti ngasi nari bachakirete ikagera bagaikali nakieko gara baisiku ekera uko bakwane na bakora ngango mu kibali kumanya na ito anena mono naenda abayibodi kwa faith bayibodi tuangire kotebya abana baito toba foundation yego chaka no muyiri tuangire kotebya abana baito buna babwena bita komenya igikina kiako raso to kwana no mugusiyo mugima tomatenga kwana abana baino ekere kyombeke na ndo kuriga ri umwana omusike kuchere kwe kari umwana omusiko yakurwa nguchere kwe kase bono tokoba integrate back to the family, to the society, and again to the family, the family and then society. Bono eringo chere to kukwane ro moyibori ngo batore bridge between yo moyibori no mwana oyo erinde tonga ko bateye bono iye gotobetera inga bono nkito cyate kukwane ro mubisi igoro ya ubareri bw'umuntu
yo bembere aho bigoro ya mwana ya basubati mwana yo ko na so musubati sikena wayo bate yango Romo anyare ko mo ko bete ngiye se bingo tabara bari no baike ko ni bonda
aba twaikere byombe byonze ibiri to aikerere lakini rende taringa bone ga ko launch dole lakini ntonya ndo ko baikera na to ko ngende kero isegi ento ko nyara ntukweka mtoto getoma ata Arsenal byombe bigo bwaka totanyare Arsenal nonye tutabe kanisa era bwaka totanyare Arsenal serikali era bwaka totanyare na kitu atabenye tutagito mu bisyo mugima to bwate to speak egera kero umuntu as a role to play isegi ento munekega. It is a collective responsibility na lidio katoranya
and then kero kulgere liye ngane yo yaka se constitution yali muswazi byo bala bara abasaja ngito ko chatwa sai asengane no ko rescue ko rescue
akina taberega na tabanga kwenye serikali simuwate go play dichi kondire liko tango mwana oyo umusaje nabwenerete ekera ko nyoru umwana ekera ebare abake kwake myaka 12 ekero ko tubwende kubeka dichi ko liko teba wazidiro umwana ekera musaje gotoka no umwana umyaka 12 nabwende ko ile rwege tango na kitwate mwana nyine serikali biga igasi naleta eto karaki otokwana na masache nabwende tubaguya kwanere tobatenga ko moranje abana nabanabezu tiga nabana abaki
mwabakwane sauri toko nabo kwano ko rote ya bana rusiri jando nyaro musaje ba
ntogende to ese bari toko nyanto ganto kwana no nyambono naki origere tio twatebe tenga tutagete even media ekegere media nene mono ko ikera kada bantaba iganto kunyana tutagete media ekere media ngo ikerera bantaba ngiri eri nderi to bakwane
ya munene murigereria teturanyore kerengereri kia obwatani bande ose members bande bekiombeke abarutera iguna bagotera tosuka.
My name is Margaret Mirera. I'm a member of the Angasagri. Yeah, we are trying to save these children because most of them are suffering and young. And the way I see it, if they are given a chance, they can do better in life. Because most of them are driven by poverty, lack of education, and problems at home. That's why they go back to the street. But we are trying to rescue them from the street so that we can build a center where they can be saved. Yeah, like me, I'm representing other communities in Kisii because there are many prostitutes from other areas also. So we are trying to bring them together and build them a center. We are requesting parents, even if they don't have money, even if they are poor, they should not push their children to the street. They should at least take them to church. If you grow a child in church, she will never go back to us. She will never go to prostitution, however poor they are. They will always listen to the parents. But some parents will push their children to go and look for money in the street, which is not correct.
Okay, my name is Jerusha Mogaka. I'm a youth leader here in Kisii. And about this prostitution, like there is underage. I am a parent, I know how it feels. If I get my young daughter doing prostitution, it really pains me, it will pain me. I'm telling you, it will kill me. That's why na so ira saving TV, and never na tabati wa mangana angaza, nkai ubia, kaurambia, nisoya. Ekoro konyo mwana umosake, wakonje family, naende wakonje nation. Nare ku request abantu bamintu bawusiye na moko so imega mukonye taras mukonye ebintu ebinene nabo konye mnasa ukonye naende mna busiga igatware wancha abana babake abana mbaro paka ba primary wa kora prostitution into naende mbaro paka bari barwariti urere eko back yani kumonto ko ego sana sauri intuna baibor nene ke tukiriye ko wera naenda bana not necessarily na no butaka bado nonye bakorwa se familia bonda naende bacha prostitution naenda baibor gaki no toko bera bana hash na umona ko gosa kwa mo rekebisha na bo mona ra gose okunyora sa kugenda nyumba ebiranya biri ago chikoego ora fadhali akoreki aira ne town achake prostitution nabo inara gote amanyagetinge tugwatiraniamo tokonya abana baito babusi. Asante.
Asa Marieta Jacqueline Magara jono mobusi narenga kubuli manyagetinge una twachirega iga twachira sinyo y'abana bakebali town town ye karoko tarachinga kichabo tuko you can really be embarrassed uno moiboli ora abasikorera muriga abana mbale ororo abakemono and I think abaiboli we have contributed towards abana wochichito as mothers to a failure abaiboli ka abanyina kero mwana abeire buna ochakire komanyanki agokora kwana no mwana motebi ninki ukogima motebi ninki okogenda isko let them know what life is all about inki obogima buri kago chigotara gochire iga gochiare ko contact yaba amarwaire tiga totebi abane ke maene tutige ko tuache kuogopa kukola speed ko batebi fact yegento buna ketake buna kire totebi abana baito buna bako chikomenya ochi kero babira abantu abanene abana nto basiko barash buna abaibori sana mothers nabo bakogera abana basoka isko bagende town toira abana kanisa abana banyore foundation erengia ekero ko bundiso mwana karomo keta kwira iro mwana kanisa ekero ko moirire kanisa tiagutigo mwana kakwagende kanisa bunera no moke tiagutigo mwana kwa mutomo bunagenda okoreke barua aye kwagende kanisa genda pamoja no nchuamo buno mugusito konyane tugusia abana etauni amisini yao 10 yane na 10 yoyonde na bego konya kurusia mwana ule etauni changire. Asante.
Samarita kwa Evans Machera gondo ya mobo ase wansirishi bekiombekia Angaza Youth Development Organization yigo yekurigeria mang'ana ya gokonya omwana omonyaroka ekenyoronke bwate mechando awao nekenyore ekio kurigeria mechando iyo ngetagete gianchera nenga mechando nero gosoba kong'ombororo kimanye kwibanga kurigeria obokong'o obwo egere kumanye kurigererigwa kumanye konyorerwa enchera yo kurigereria ng'aki gokorosiwa mbo ekenyoro ngiasareka mono ase omochoito manene gusii gosongo obokong'o mborororo bwa abana abanyaroka especially ekegoria geke giatokire giachire epara kwerigeria ebesa ase enchera yokweonia na abana abaigana abandi bari esukuru abandi barure esukuru sachinde ase eng'encho obokong'o borenga bwa ebesa na ekero ekenyoro gegotiga abana buna abwo engekobakonya boronge ekero bachire epara amarwaire narororo yatoka ng'amarwaire ayo imbara bakoya gusukuru ase omonto oyomo gochia ase oyonde abana beke bakwenda aria epara ng'o bakoumera igo bagochi baumera abasacha abande bare ebigori bia abaise gose abasokoro yabo basoa chihoteli chinene chiroching ase enseme yokogora nokweonia yagera abana banyora kabesa lakini njire yitakeiri igo abasacha gosaba gaka mubwata abana tokwane mwano atokyari enchera ase eng'encho yokweonia omwana na bagwikaine orionde okare para nere kweonia ase eng'encho eywo konyora ebesa buna gwachi kogora oria omoke obande kwanyora nere buya abana buna abwo bakonywa baira na esukuru abande na bataire na esukuru eri barenge seche none emiaka yabanyorire gose okonyora koro oke otachi konyora none school fees barigeriwa enchera na ekenyoro na eserikali ya county pamoja na county pamoja na eserikali ya Kenya ngima banyore ase bakobutera ebiginga mbirororo bya county gose bya Kenya ngima eserikali eranyare korwa ebesa etoke baroseriwa omochi bagende bakore obwegeria kura bakonye ase obogima bwabo na bakwegera komine etuki begere gosona chianga begera buna rero technology chikomputa njibwate amasomo arakore egasi enyinge yogosoma nki abantu bande bakora ensemo yende korware barorenga nki bagokora ari ase bare nekenyoro kere bare egere tonyore roboti korware gwakerie kiage korwaria twaranyorera ng'egaiga sinje bare kegorie geke mbaisaine naende nabakonyara korotera chiripoti ekyo egere chikonye kenyoro gaitu.
Okay, my name is Stella Osoro Kirongo, and I'm a member of Angaza Youth Development. We came with this group in 2013, and of course when you are starting something it becomes a challenge. So our main aim was to rescue these children, underage children from the street, and so that we can rehabilitate them, have a rescue center where they can be at least put, processed, and then they are integrated back to the community. So that is our aim, and we are coming today to tell people, to find out their opinions, how they feel about these children in the street, and also telling them that if it continues like this, in 2-3 years' time, we will not have a generation which is continuous. There is a generational gap which we will miss. So that is why we are here, and also to stop, at least reduce or stop the continuity of this, because there is this peer pressure. You find that these children, when they see others coming, they see, what have you done? Why have you changed like this? It is because I'm at the street. So that influence, that is where we are trying to reduce. And we also see ourselves, in that 2 years' time, we see ourselves that having a rescue center, at least, which has started going on. There is something we call, all these children, when we interview them, it is because of a background, a family background, which has really contributed to these children coming to the street. And also lack of awareness of family, how it is supposed to be, family conflict and poverty. Those are the things which are really contributed to these children coming to the street. We welcome you to come and join us, because one cannot make, but when we kidogo, we can always make it happen. We thank you so much for coming.
Esa marita nkoro kumasi keruo manga nkoro gembo igen tunare ko kwa negoro yangaza youth group nkeringa
Endelea tu.
Sawa, igen tunare ko kwa nkeringa etutagete ko change lives cia bana bali bali street, because most of those girls are young and they don't have anybody who is helping them. They are there, some of them are there willingly and others are there unwillingly. Again, tukenera ko wana nkeringa abayibori ba neglectira abana babo baliko ba advice singi yabuna bago kina wana ko nyoro mwana ko ganda dia ko ende school onyo peer pressure ya muire street wana ngaza youth group tugachamo tugafomu kyombekeiga tutete ko konyo mwana mugusi twamanyiro bube Kenya ngima bone ni tututanga ine HIV new infections tigatoteme tokonya abana bayi unangaza kwende etotaite to rehabilitate abaiseke bali bali willing, mostly young, bali bali between the ages of 9 and 18, because they don't have anywhere else to go apart from being misused there. Ngenye nini nyari ko kwanire kesi yake mu mwana to akwanete nere ndakwana sarwete umwana yuga totebetinga she can't be able to control urine flow, the flow of urine, just because ako bana abasacha ikomi obotuko omanya wikiranie target yo gwakana nona se nyomba sakorara yeri bweye iko bono aba mwanya getinge gantara ko batebi tigatochamo tobwaterane tanyare ko batoko konya abana baiga barose street igesa kugeito ngesira ntochiko rera ntochiko koba igesa kukebwate getabwati bana nenda abayibori mbabwente batindika bana babo. Thank you.
Asa Maria Tanche Cyprian Ketanda, Kokorase Kisi County Government, Department of Civic Education and Public Participation, Ekimbugekuru ku Angaza Foundation. Abana abaito bali street igatu ajira moto barusi, ne responsibility ya constituency, a community, a serikali, na abana abakemono, anibo negendo kyo kumwe na wani ono to kuonega usita onyoke to bate over 10,000 under sex commercial workers. Wani ga se Kenya ngima, we are reading as any infections as a Kenya ngima. So na yago nyarikana buya to bwatera netwensi as a society na community to rusia bana ba se street to baira se rescue center bakore counseling bari abanene beteire school bakwa entrepreneurial skills irekera ba se rescue center to makubani na se society bari abakabata kerukira ni school to baira ni ase school ngenje yae tuise gotigara kwa buna tolega in the next 10 years ntoko twara generation ase usia ito igombia toire twensi to imokerera igoro tugwatsi ekiombe kiangaza foundation tugwatsi ase serikali aso kurusia bana ase street.
My name is Nora Nyamwamu Umbui. I'm a resident of Kisii County, and one of the emerging issues that we have seen in our county is with regard to the girl child. Abana baita banyaroka abakabake, because of the challenges we face in life, many of them they are trooping into the streets of Kisii. that's an emerging issue that should concern every leader in this community. And it's a high time we started looking inward to the solution of our problems before we can look outward. So our leaders, let us come together and address this issue, because wishing it away will not change a thing. It will make it worse. So the earlier we do it, the better for all of us. There's a saying that we are because I am, and because I am, we are. That is the attitude that we should all have. At a street, not necessarily that is your child. If all people are happy, then everybody is happy.
Ng'ombe yanimuke ani gore monto monta ibura bana abane biratuoki mbia gito mochi kosari tegakote bya kanyaroka kali ngumbe ngakuyaka ngutamangi gakorire kobege tocho kaya ukayumba Manoria wakire bicha ibichama wana korochengo etale wekiro sibuni sibuna maganja ataroma gunga karamangina bya chanyengo beko nandeira neko chebaba nibi negire kokote morau kalindo indono banyarundo